How can we go on the offensive? Okay, so this kit, this is what it looks like. Has a top, and then it has this little drum that goes on the inside. What you would do is you would take a frame, and let's just say there's a bunch of bees on there. I would just scoop them up like this, put them in, and you want to fill this up at least 3/4 of the way. That is equal to 1 cup of bees. Why do we do that? The reason is that we're getting a census. There's roughly 200 honeybees that will be in this. Now, you will want to put your hand over this to keep the bees in, and you will want to put all the way up 2/3 of the way with rubbing alcohol. Then you'll set this in and then screw this top on, and then you basically just shake it for 4 minutes. And what this does is it dislodges the varroa from the back of the honeybee. That is what you're going to do your counts on. If you have 5 or more mites, you got a mite load problem and you need to go on ahead and start your treatments. And then what you'll do is you'll take that shake bottle and just pour it over a paper towel, a white paper towel, and you'll be able to count your mites at that point in time. That is a fail-safe method that will do you well on that side.
Hey, Ray, how many of the hives should you inspect? So let's just hypothetically say you've got 20 hives. How many of those would you check? Or is it just as soon as you hit that threshold of 5 in one, it means all of them could be infected?
Well, because of drift and things like that there, I highly recommend that you do each hive. You don't have to do it all in one setting. You can say, hey, look, I'm going to do this one on Monday. I'm going to do these 3 on Wednesday and do these 5 on Friday. And you could even do it over the weekend, taking a break, do one in the morning and one in the evening when it's a little cooler outside.